Thank you. Good afternoon. If we all take a second to look around this room, it's very easy to see some of the impacts the fashion industry has on our lives. As Mark Twain stated, clothes make the man, naked people have little or no influence on society. Fashion is a multi-trillion-dollar industry spread across the globe. Due to the global scale and vast environmental and human resources required in the production and consumption of products, the fashion industry has a tremendous impact on the global environment. We have all heard of some of these impacts, including human rights violations and sweatshop practices. One well-known example is the Bangladesh factory collapse in 2013 that killed 1,100 people. In addition to social issues, it's estimated that 1 million tons of textiles end up in a landfill each year. Taken holistically, the textile and clothing life cycles consume more energy and water than the product life cycles of any other industry other than construction and agriculture. The need to address the current problems of the fashion industry is apparent, but issues exist along the entire life cycle, from the production of raw materials, the design of textiles and fashion garments, manufacturing, distribution, retail, to use, and finally to disposal of fashion items. So where do we begin? Luckily, the need for change within the fashion industry has been recognized, and sustainable fashion has developed as a result. Sustainable fashion investigates how the environment, society, and economy are interrelated throughout the production and consumption of fashion items. Sustainable fashion designers are employing new design techniques, increasing their knowledge of impacts along the apparel supply chain, and changing the way clothing is made and used in order to promote a healthier planet and society. My research investigates this new type of designer within the fashion industry. For my study, I conducted in-depth interviews with practicing sustainable designers in order to gain an understanding of their perspectives, experiences, and knowledge of sustainability within the fashion industry. Specifically, I'm interested in how comprehensive their understanding of sustainability is, where and how they are gaining their information, and what they're doing to utilize their knowledge within the design process. Through my analysis, I will determine to what extent sustainable designers consider the social, environmental, and economic impacts of fashion items, which is in the middle, and how it impacts the entire product life cycle, and discover what factors influences their decisions during the product design and development process. It is estimated that up to 80% of a product's environmental and economic costs are determined during the product design stage. Designers hold an important position in that they can make decisions that directly influence the sustainability of garments along the entire product life cycle. Thank you.